I thought the tears would drown me, but they watered the soil instead. In the sacred ground of sorrow, something tender dared to grow. Rain feels like a delay, a disruption. But in the garden of your becoming, it's essential. Your tears, the ones that fell in silence, in prayer, in pain, they didn't destroy you. They softened you. They nourished you. Not because it didn't hurt, but because you didn't let it harden you. You stayed. You opened. You prayed. And slowly, life started to bloom again. The rain didn't break you. It blessed you.